Motherfucker. Alright, turn the gas off. I better move that shit. Oh my god. The other one I think I can get by. Let's see, move this one. Maybe I do need to move that. It looked different from down there. I thought I could just get around it. Shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. For some reason, I thought there was a landing here. Oh. Oh. Shit, look how much gas I was leaking at. So I always turn out the gas immediately. You gotta be careful because this thing eats gas like a motherfucker, so. Fucking it. Shit. Shit! Fuck! Okay. Turn off the gas. Ah, fuck. Alright. So, yeah, I'm done this time. I think I would have made it, but I lost my balance. And when I lost my balance, I went to put my foot down on the side there. And my foot got caught on the foot peg, so I couldn't remove it. Shit. So, I think had I have been able to move my foot and kick off the side and regain my balance, since I couldn't do that, I went the wrong line and almost slipped over.